We're here at the Saia Freight Logistics Truck Yard. This is the machine I think that's broken. We've got a message on the PLC. We do have power to wipe out all these metal shavings, dust out of here. We're going to check this. I've been tightening up all the wires. Everything has been exceptionally loose, including these relays right here. High voltage was especially loose as well. We are back in service right there. Emergency stop works. Key switch functions. Show that it's working. RAM is moving. It's processing material. Safety interlock's working. So again, the problem we had is working good.